Well, I stopped recording so that I could actually build up underneath that hot water heater and get some water on. Oh, you gotta excuse me. I stopped taking antidepressants about 2 weeks ago, and just keep having these, like, I'm sure you understand what antidepressants do to the libido, and I stopped taking them, so no, I'm having all these dreams, very vivid dreams, and they're just frustrating me. But anyway, so I got the hot water heater moved up there, and I will be damned if I didn't think about it, but those copper pipes, they don't bend or anything, you know. I'm sure it's not hooked up, quote unquote, illegally. Shut up. Like everything in your house is legal. Like you don't have frustrating dreams. So anyway, they don't fit, and I'm tired. Look at my fingernails. Ew. So I'm gonna go to my neighbor's and take a shower and come back over here and try to figure out this stupid thing. And then I'll show you and update you. I can't believe I just showed you my fingernails. But after I got done, like, okay, so my house is pure and beam. And I had to keep crawling out of that hole because, you know, when you're down on the floor, the house is just about level with your hips. Oh, excuse me. And, oh, touch my face. And I have really bad hips anyway, so I had to keep crawling out. And I only did one little section, and I'm seeing what my problem is, and it's, yeah, I got a lot of wood, but I guess it's not matching enough to build a level floor. And with the way that it was put together, and I'll show you in a little bit what I ran into, I'm not coming to any places that are that I'm going to be able to match up with. And like I said, I'll show you. If it was all that subflooring that I ran into, which is quite beautiful, I would sand it down and start there. But now, that subflooring is just too low, and I'm thinking that there's nothing under it. It was like flooring on top of flooring on top of flooring, if you know what I mean. There was no plywood, you know, which is how we all do it nowadays, I guess. 100 years ago, I don't think it was added on. Okay. Anyway, More on my adventures later. Not like anybody watches me. But what I'm looking for is suggestions and ideas, because we all know how much houses are nowadays. And I have half an acre in the middle of town, and I've had people come and look at it and say it's a beautiful lot and da 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 da. But there's $100,000 in repairs, to update the house, and I'm getting offered like 54,000, and I don't know what they expect me to do with that. And then I applied for, this Christmas in Action program that we have, but I'm behind on my taxes, and they can't help me if I'm behind on my taxes, which is I'm punished for being poor, or I'm getting punished again for being poor. And I would work, but I have 7 MRIs that show that I have some kind of degenerative disease, and I can show you the damn MRIs if you don't believe me, because I'm not asking you for monetary help. I'm just not going to be homeless, and I'm not going to let the house keep falling apart around me. If that makes sense to any of you. Probably not you rich people. I'm sorry, I'm not. Okay, look. I'm not racist against the rich, okay? You did whatever to get your money, or you were born into it, or whatever happened, okay? But me, I started working when I was 14, and I worked straight like a dog until 2018, and the hurt, I just couldn't take the pain anymore. I couldn't stand up straight for the hours and hours that I was supposed to. And I've been fighting with Social Security since then, for years. And the Social Security doctor told the judge at my court case, she can't sit longer than 30 minutes. She can't stand longer than 30 minutes. She's going to have a really hard time finding a job and somebody that understands these things. And now I've lost, and I know I'm doing a lot because I haven't lost the muscles. I've just lost the feeling. I just drop things a lot, and I don't have a good grasp. And of course, no insurance. So you know what? It's my fault. I'm poor. I could have saved money all those years when I was building trailers. I actually made a lot of money, but I smoked it all. Not like crack, but it might as well have been. Anyway, here's the dogs if you'll still want to see them. Say hi, Easter. Easter, come here. Come here, say hi. And then they say hi. You have like 30 something thousand views on one thing, Easter. I haven't even looked at my view count because I'm sure I don't have any. But anyway, any ideas or whatever? I've got to go bathe. I can't do this. I'm still not greasy up there, but I'll show you an update later. Everybody have a good day. I really am a nice person. I'm just going through some stuff. Know what I mean? Oh, it's about the angles. Ugh, I can't do all that. I don't even like looking at people that use those filters because all I see is the fakeness of it. And everybody will comment, "You're so beautiful." And I'm like, it's a filter. But whatever. Y'all like y'all's fake love on the internet. Hi, Bubba. What, you want to be on the internet? Okay. No pictures. Okay. Ah, all right. Oh no. Okay, guys. Later. Oh no.